Hello, in this video we will be exploring Miro software. Miro is basically a whiteboard software that is being used by millions of users. So let's keep exploring and see what we can do with this. So as it mentions, we can make diagrams, brainstorming sessions, project managements, meetings and workshops. Let's dig into it. First of all, you need to log in. Just type miro.com. This will redirect to the Miro software. So now it's asking set up your team. Just type product. Skip for now. Okay, so as I can see here, there are multiple options which can be used. So I'll go with the strategy and planning. Okay, so there are like heaps of templates which can be used, um, but I'll skip. So you can create flowchart diagrams, you can create mind maps, concepts, brainstorming sessions. There are a lot of different stuff which you can do with this software. Okay, so I think this is the left bar has a lot of tools. Let's suppose if I'll so this is template basically, so this is text. It can be sticky notes, shapes, so I can use any shape and I can type into it, obviously. Yep. So let's suppose making I'm making functionality for um you know I'm making a functionality for fetching data. So now what we can do is we can just click on this one and it will generate another like a link which you can type and you can just have another idea behind it. Also there is a sticky notes you can use and you can change the color of it, obviously depending on your needs. If you want to remind something, if you want to have an idea of this conversation. Also you can use different sorts of pointing arrows and then you can just type something like that, and obviously the pen to basically draw something on the whiteboard. Yep, so that is a Miro software. And also if I go back, I can see a lot of different templates here, so you can click use any template. So as you can see, once I hit use this template, it's giving me a guideline how to use it. Yep, so this is the start and then action, decision and action, result. So yep, also the it's pretty handy actually. Mind map is a diagram designed to organize information in visual hierarchy. It is often used to see connection between concept and ideas. It's It's ideal for visual learner as this method lacks to rigid structure. So use this blank template, and it sees something like this. So basically you have a problem, you want to type something and then you want to type something else. So also you can link your Jira card behind it. Let's suppose if it is linked to, and then you can type your um, URL here. So yep, this is the introduction to the Miro software. We will be exploring this software a little bit more later. So for now, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.